Alright, what we have here is a first look at the Cal 34 restoration project in the boatyard at Tomahawk Boatworks. You can see there's a considerable amount of oxidized paint that has made its way dribbling down the sides. Been on the stands for quite some time. We have a fin keel spade rudder configuration. Ignore that name for now, there's a story behind it. Clearly needs a good scrub down. And as we'll see here, there are some issues with broken bow pulpit, stanchions, etc. More in a moment when we get up there.